I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Yeah, people, you done know it's the Grizzly Bear, Bear Vibes, Bear Fun, Bear Things Must Speak, Bear Fox Feet Live, Bear Tracks, yeah, yeah, man, talk. Massacre. Yeah, more music like this still, and I mean, greatness, and I mean, just continue to make them type of music you see me youth, your future super bright. I'm say super bright, colorful, rainbow. You see me I say rainbow, right there so. But guess what go on now? And just me I say your body no want to know what the people want to say, cause you don't know. Energy. Watch them energy there. Yeah, my song that. And I love the energy right. And I love the energy right. But, you see me I say? Then I go so bam. Because I'm hungry before. Oh, you are gonna be hungry before. You know what I mean? And I mash them up you out. Then I come and say greatness. Because you know say you're born with the potential and it embedded and the inside of you. You know what I mean? You're born with the element. But I like the concept of the song. I like the energy. You know what I mean? I don't know if your career motivate you. I don't know if your fans them tell you words of motivation will make you feel highly elated for compose a song like greatness. But I don't know, the people them want to know why you consider yourself as the greatest. You know what I mean? Or see yourself in greatness. But I want one of them songs there where I tell the people them, you know, what go on. You see me I say, cause the man them tell some good story from what day, you know. You know, agree with my people? Cause him can write a song, him can tell a story and make you know from the, you know what I mean, greatness. Why him see himself as greatness, why him see himself potentially great, you know what I mean? Cause I don't know, bad mind is a disease, you know, and it's an element, and who to tell? A bad mind could have motivate the charge with upon all the level where I'm there right now, because what? In the beginning of my career, nobody never give him the strength. Everybody has said, boy, music now go nowhere now, my youth. Oh, you say, you're massive, sick, you're sick, rare. But see it there now, cause remember the people at Jamaica this and more time I saw the Jamaican them stay amongst them Jamaican ones. So right now, Massacre, let's go on to the thing. Cause you're great in your greatness, you know. And as me I said, the same amount you say boost rare. Cause back in the beginning of their career, enough of them ones that were your fan right now, might be them never there see the potential in your yard. Might be them never there see your career reaching to the level which part it there right now. But you do it. Yeah, brother. You do it. Greatness. You know what I mean? Born to be great, bound to be greater. You see me I say? Right there, so you don't know enough people at the Grizzly Bear, so more for know if you don't agree with the things them when me I tell you know. If you don't find it factual, you can't argue with me too, you know. I'm ready for it, you know. Yeah, man, I'm ready, man, cause my vocabulary level high, you know. You see me, I say, so we're ready for have that dialect there no matter what. So, any controversial individual, we're ready, cause we don't telling already, no people, we want to start a forum, something, you know, we can chat and relate and have the thing a stream away so people can know where Bear Vibes TV go away, where the Grizzly Bear have to say. And then, the word that you have to say too, cause remember, say you have to say too, you know. You have a set too. You have something to say. And nobody can put it down. Zin? So, right now, greatness, Massacre. Yeah, big bro. It our. You see me and say, one well bad. You see me? And then I mean, I'm give before. And then I need it all. And then I know what time is leave on the floor. Body out, right there. You don't know it's Bear Vibes TV and it's the Grizzly Bear. Bear Vibes, Bear Fun, Bear Things. And I'm out. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Fox, Bear Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.